Leaning dumbbell side raise. Holding a dumbbell in one hand, place the opposite hand on a wall that you can grip. Place your feet together and place them against the base of the wall. Lean away from the wall and then perform a single side lateral raise. This is a great exercise for the medial deltoid or center of the shoulder. Make sure to keep your body in a straight line from head all the way to heel. Do not move your torso or move your hips during this exercise. This is a great exercise to finish off a shoulder workout after something like double lateral raises or shoulder presses. Make sure to use this one the next time you do some shoulders and you'll see the benefits coming from this exercise. Thanks guys, have a great day.